A dialogue between two friends on environment pollution.
Hello, Pronto. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you, friend?
I am pretty good, and you?
I am fine. But why do you look so worried?
You are right. I am somewhat worried about environment pollution.
Oh, yes. Environment pollution is one of the biggest problems the world faces today. It is being polluted day by day.
You are absolutely right. This polluted environment causes much harm to us.
Exactly. But what are you thinking about its consequence?
The consequence of environmental pollution is an issue that troubles us economically, physically, and every day of our lives.
Absolutely. Besides, the increase of world temperature is the result of environment pollution. What is your idea about it?
I agree with you. I think the plants and animals are likely to be extinct on account of increasing temperature.
Exactly. The ice is melting and the water level of the sea is rising because of environmental pollution.
Yes, of course. Besides, due to environmental pollution, we are suffering from various kinds of diseases.
You are right. But how can we prevent environment from being polluted?
Environment pollution can be prevented in many ways, but the main way is to make the people aware of its harmful effect.
Thank you for this important discussion.
You are most welcome. See you again.
Please subscribe to my channel.